Hi, hello, welcome. Pujo. 40 days left. When I'm wondering what to do this Sunday. Then I looked at the calendar and saw that Durga Puja was ahead. The most loved thing in Durga Puja is the mother's face. There is a special love in this face. And the second choice is food.
And third, watching Tagore on TV, mobile at home. Because it lives at home. Does not want to leave the house.
We come to the video said a lot.
You started saying a lot of things.
Okay, so let's make puja special earrings. And if you're a girl, it's only natural that you love earrings. Those who are not are different. It is what we need: cotton cloth, favicol, cardboard, white acrylic, color paint, brush, pencil, scissors, earring hook, needle, thread, silver birds. Stick the fabric on the cardboard with the help of favicol. I have used red fabric here, you can use any color. Making single design like 3 leaves with white acrylic color. I will sew the silver bits with needle and thread. If you watch the tutorial carefully, you will be able to make this pendant for yourself. I will fasten the 2 pieces with favicals. Don't forget to fasten the earring hook or it will fall in the ear. Hope you liked the video. I will bring a new video next week. And to watch more such beautiful videos, you have to do one thing.
It is called subscribe
and share this video with your earring loving friends.